Hi guys, in this video we're delving into a fundamental aspect of Google Sheets, which is how to rename a column. So whether you're streamlining your data organization or giving your spreadsheet a personalized touch, mastering the art of column renaming is the key. So join me as we navigate through the steps, making the process of renaming columns in Google Sheets both straightforward and efficient. Now let's jump right in. Alright, so start by opening your Google Sheet. Just ensure you're working in the correct spreadsheet where the column you want to rename is located. Then click on the header of the column you wish to rename. So this will highlight the entire column, indicating that it's the one you're currently working with. And then move to the top of the toolbar and locate the data option and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Then within the data menu, find and select the name ranges option. So this will open a new window allowing you to manage name range. So now click on the add a range button within the name range window, and this action will prompt you to define a name for the selected column. So now in the text box provided, type the desired name for the column. So this name will be used to reference the column throughout your spreadsheet. Then click on the button typically represented by 4 small boxes next to the text box where you type the column name, and this action will allow you to select the data range associated with the column. And then just highlight and select the column letter corresponding to the one you want to rename, so this ensures that your new name is applied to the correct column. And after that, click Continue to confirm and apply the new name to the selected column. And then complete the process by clicking Done in the Name Ranges window, and your column is now successfully renamed. And that's it. You successfully navigated through the steps to rename a column in Google Sheets. This method not only organizes your data but also provides a user-friendly reference. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.